Gold IRA Rollover Process at age 74. The Gold IRA Rollover process at 74 can be a smart way to protect your retirement savings. At this age, the focus usually shifts from growth to safety and stability. A Gold IRA lets you hold physical precious metals like gold in a tax-advantaged account, helping reduce risk during uncertain economic times. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Check eligibility and review your portfolio. Start by confirming that your current retirement account, such as a 401k or traditional IRA, allows a rollover. At 74, you must also consider required minimum distributions, RMDs. Review your savings and decide how much you want to move into gold. 2. Choose a reliable custodian. You cannot store gold yourself in an IRA. You need an IRS-approved custodian to manage your account and store the metals securely. Look for a provider with strong reviews, clear fees, and solid experience. 3. Understand IRS rules. The IRS has strict rules for rollovers. A direct rollover, where funds move from one account to another, is usually the safest choice. This helps you avoid taxes or penalties. 4. Transfer your funds. Your current investments may need to be sold before moving the money. The custodian will handle the transfer and prepare your new Gold IRA account. 5. Buy approved precious metals. Once your account is funded, you can purchase IRS-approved metals like gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. Gold is the most common option because of its long-term value. 6. Keep your investments balanced. While gold offers stability, it's important not to invest everything in one place. A balanced portfolio helps manage risk better. 7. Monitor your account. Even after completing the rollover, review your investments regularly. Market changes and new rules may affect your strategy. The Gold IRA Rollover process at 74 is a practical step toward protecting your retirement wealth. By following simple steps and staying informed, you can build a more secure and stable financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.